Hey guys, welcome back to another SmartDrone how-to video. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to take the batteries out of your drone and charge them up once you're done flying so you'll be ready for next time. First thing we're going to do is just take our charger and our wall plug, and this just plugs right into a standard wall outlet. It can plug in both ways into the back of this charger here, and then our charger's powered up and ready to go. We'll pop the batteries out of the back of our drone, and we'll put them down in front of the charger here. And if you guys want to come in for a closer look, we'll show you how to go through each setting in the charger to charge the batteries. So now that we got our charger in place and our batteries out here in front of it, we're just simply going to plug them in. Now you notice I have them set the shortest lead is closest to the charger, and that's just to make things a little easier. We're going to plug the balance lead, into the balance port there, and we'll plug our main power lead right here into this port that's the same color. We'll do the same thing with this other side, and you'll notice the fields on the charger are starting to populate with some information about the battery. So now our next step is to actually start our charge. So we can click this CH button over here. It's kind of our page button, and that's going to bring us to the first battery. So we can click the scroll wheel over here, kind of selects and brings up our menu. So the first thing we want to do is we want to select the task balance, because we're actually going to be balancing this battery all the way up into 4.2 volts and not a charge. So we'll come down here to cell voltage, and we're going to set that to 4.2. Now that cell voltage is always going to populate with whatever the battery's cell voltage is. And then this is our amperage for our charge rate. So these are 7 amp batteries, or 7,000 milliamp. And so if we set our charge rate as a 7 amp charge, that's going to be the 1C charge rating that we want. So now we can start the task, and we can switch to the next page and start the next battery. So we'll come up here, we'll verify it's in balance, come down here and set 4.2. Click on that with the scroll wheel. We got the same size battery and the same charge rate, and so we can go ahead and start that. And we can click this once more, and now you can see both of our batteries are charging, and they have that light green background. Now when the batteries are done charging, that's going to transfer to a solid, or like a darker green background, and it'll say balance done right up here where it says LiPo 6S. So now, these batteries aren't charged yet, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to disconnect the battery and how to set up the charger for the disconnection without just unplugging it. So first thing to note is these chargers are smart chargers. They will stop charging your battery and just hold it right at the voltage it needs to be at until you come back and get it. But the way you're going to do this is we're going to hit this channel button again, and all you have to do is just click one time right there, and if it's done, it's going to go ahead and just cancel out. But if it's still charging and you need to stop it for a reason, you can click it again and it'll stop. And so like I said, if the battery's done charging and you click that one time, it'll go ahead and just go to this blank screen. But in our case, it was still charging, so we had to hit the stop button. We'll go ahead and do that same process and hit the stop button for this one. So now you see we both have standby screens. So we're safe to go ahead and unplug our batteries. Alright, so that concludes how to charge batteries, and this is the last video in our how-to series where we walk through all the basics of using your Discovery 2 drone. If you need any other help or support, please feel free to reach out to us at our phone number and our chat windows that are both available at our website, www.smartdrone.us. Thank you guys.